Alright, I want to talk a little bit about color temperature. So let me change the screen. Okay, so I am at the Wikipedia page of Kevin, and this article is about the unit of temperature. Basically, I want to show you guys the scale. Okay, alright, color temperature. Okay, it's really important if you like using your camera or using your phone to film or just take a video of a specific thing. You have to worry about the temperature, the light temperature. Okay, so this is a really typical way to show the temperature of the color. So it's got a scale called the color temperature scale, and as you guys can see, you got like 1500K. It's got a really bright red, and all the way down to 8000K, and you got a lot of like darker blue sort of thing. Okay, so basically this is a scale that you can change, and if you okay, let me show you guys this. So if you bought light like this, okay, this is a light in my studio. Okay, and I'm going to make my this a little bit bigger. Okay, so if you got light like this, and you can actually change the color temperature. So this is whether it's bright or dark, but you can also change the color temperature. Okay, so this is warmer light, and this is like cooler light. Okay, let me use this so you guys can see whether you can change the different the Kelvin scale of the light. Okay, so this is really warm. Okay, and this is really cold. Okay, this can give you a completely different feeling. Okay, so you want aiming for more cinematic, you can bring this to a warmer. If you want more neutral, you can go colder. And by the way, the colder light is more similar to the sun. Okay, so if you like go out at the middle of the day, the sunlight is more like the cooler, colder light at the Kelvin scale. Okay, and yeah, and by the way, I want to show you another thing. So for example, if you got your camera, okay, let me quickly change it. If you got your camera, let me bring you guys a demo of the camera. Normally the white balance is set to automatic. So let me show you. This is my really old Canon camera. Okay, so I changed the camera to manual mode, and if you press the Q here, okay, I don't know whether you guys can see it or not. So you go to this menu. Okay, let me bring this closer, see whether you guys can see it. Okay, you can't see it. What about here? Okay, I'm going to change the ISO to like darker, so you guys can. Okay, can you guys see it? Okay, so if you press the Q, and you guys can see the white balance. Okay, I'm going to like make the camera zoom in. Okay. Okay, so the white balance, and normally you will show AWB. Okay, here AWB. It's called white balance, and it's automatic, so you don't need to worry about the white balance. But you can also change that to daylight, shade, cloudy, and yeah, something like that. So basically, you can change it to different modes, and it will automatically adjust the light and make it sort of balanced. So basically, they will make the white look white. Okay, so if you got like, let me show you some like imaginary scenario. So for example, if it's a sunset, okay, everything will be pretty yellowish. Okay, so let me give you the scale. So if it's sunset, everything will be go here. So if you take a photo, unless you want everything to be specifically yellowish, orange color, you don't want everything to look that. You have to adjust to a different settings, so everything, the color will look normal, rather than to have a specific tilt. Okay, that's just basically how a white balance works. Okay, and yeah, sorry about the focus. The camera doesn't like automatic focus on the screen. Okay, and I'm maybe going to make another video when I actually take the camera out and show you guys how to adjust all these settings. Okay, thanks, bye.